be true to you, to live my life in purity, that's unto you, waiting for the day when I hear you say, here is the one I have created just for you. Until then, oh Lord, I will be content, knowing that true love will come someday, and alone will come from you. 'Cause I have seen the suffering that loneliness can cause when we choose to give our love away without a righteous cause. So I promise to be true to you, to live my life in purity, as unto you, waiting for the day when I hear you say, here is the one I have created just for